one of the public institutions, primary schools that Music Crossroads and Petit Musics de Monde is and most of the learners have their classrooms under the tree or on open air, and we are actually going outside now to see the situation where learners have classes under the tree. You can see these learners here. They are just coming out of their open air classroom. You can see the dust. You can see they are actually outside. They are leaving their open air classroom. There are several of these in their class, and there you see the teachers. This is one of the boards. This is a acacia tree. You see it's providing shade to a classroom here at Mlodza primary. You can also see some buckets of water. They have to spray the water to minimize the dusty situation because it's so dusty here. Have to do with it. So we are going to witness a class. This is a standard 4 classroom. You can see the kids. You can see also that this is a classroom, but there are so many other learners that are on break.
Very good.
Here we are again approaching another open air class. You can see more than 120 kids in a class sitting on the floor, writing using their thighs as you can see. These are classrooms. A chalkboard. Hello, madam. Just like you can see here, or a situation that is here at Mlodza Primary School. There is a restaurant. During break time, learners have to come and buy something to eat from here. This is French fries, a place where they can find some food in between classes, and this is how it is made. They have no roofs, as you can see. They are still being used, but they are in quite unusable, condition. It's quite a pathetic situation. So this is the staff toilet for the ladies, and this one is the staff toilet for men. You can also see there are actually, as you can see, everywhere learners, they have to help themselves. They are just urinating anywhere. They just stand and then urinate because of the same problem of have to stand against the wall to help themselves. It's a quite pathetic situation to pass out urine. This is another classroom under the Himalaya trees. It's a playing ground, but it also acts as classrooms. So even the playground here at Mlodza also acts as classroom. Now we are
When someone has got the test on the board, when you
We also have one of the here also.
That gentleman has got something which is looking like a Bible in the hand, isn't it?
Hello. Hey. Very happy faces, you know. This is the class. Very happy. Very happy indeed. Yeah. Okay, thank you.